Hello, I'm Alexis with Spire Wellness. Are you one to have muscle pain, stiffness, soreness of the neck, maybe even headaches, or overall just pain in general? Well, I can help you with that. All you need to do is get up and get moving, have your desk, have yourself, and we can learn to do some quick, easy, and fun stretches. All right, so we're going to start our desk stretches. Again, we're going to hold each stretch for about 30 to 40 seconds. We're going to first start with our neck. So we are sitting in our chair. We're going to tilt the neck to the right, and we're going to add a pull. So you're going to take your hand, and you're really going to pull down. Again, always breathe when stretching. Relax your shoulders. This stretch is really good for your neck. It might even lead into your upper back, your trapezoids, your shoulder blades. Good, we're gonna switch the direction. So we're gonna tilt to the left. Again, we're gonna add that pull. And we are gonna breathe. And if you need to, again, remind yourself, relax your shoulders. You're really gonna feel this stretch within the neck, maybe even your upper back. So you really want to just focus on your breathing. From sitting at work all day, you really want to do this maybe once every other hour just to get your muscles moving, get your circulation going. Good, we're gonna bring it back to center. Next, we're gonna work with our arms. So we're gonna take the left arm, we're gonna reach over, just a good side stretch, really reach over, tighten your core, keep your back nice and strong. Again, we are gonna stretch for 30 to 40 seconds in total. We're gonna switch arms, so about 15 seconds for each arm. Really reach over, get that good side stretch. Again, remember to breathe, try and keep your back strong. Sometimes my eyes tend to close while I'm stretching, but it might help you relax. Good, and bring it back to center. Good, I am going to actually stand up for this next one. We're gonna get our hip flexors going. I'm going to move the chair out. I'm going to put my hands onto the desk. I'm going to put my right leg up. I am going to bend, and I'm going to push my hips forward. So this one might feel a little bit awkward at first, but in order to really feel it in your hips, you do have to move the body a little bit front. I really feel this kind of more so on the outer part of my hips, my quads actually as well. Good, and we're gonna switch legs. So if you started with the right leg, switch to the left, vice versa. Again, move the pelvic area front to really feel it in your hip flexors. Again, remember to breathe, keep your shoulders down. And we're gonna hold this each side for about 15 to 20 seconds. Good, we're gonna take a seat back into the chair. I call this one the figure four, so we're gonna take our right leg, we're gonna cross it in front, okay? And we are going to really just relax the shoulders, breathe. I really feel this stretch throughout my entire leg, even on the side of my hip a little bit. So it all depends on how tight your muscles are, how sore they are, how fatigued they are. Good, we're gonna switch sides, so switch it to the left, figure four on the left. Keep the back strong, shoulders down, breathe. And again, you're gonna feel this throughout the entire leg, your inner thighs, even the outer part of your hips. Good, and we have one more stretch today. We have our upper back stretch. So I'm gonna turn to the side. I'm gonna stick my arm straight out, and I am going to arch the back. Just from sitting all day, our form with our back becomes either hunchback or slightly crooked. So this really feels good in the upper back. So you really have to keep your head down, breathe, really arch that back and stretch it out. Again, we're gonna hold this in total for 30 to 40 seconds. Great. So thank you for joining me today, but these are about 5 different desk stretches that you can do every day. So make sure you're getting up, you're getting moving, just to keep that mobility, that flexibility, and keeping you happy at work. today for our desk stretching. I hope that you all can do those on a daily basis, and if not, a weekly basis. Leave any questions or comments that you might have, please. I really would like to know how you enjoyed these stretches. Have a great week.